Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot, and I made this for a welcoming gift for my nieces that are coming to visit. Now they're flying in really late. I think we're picking them up at 11:30 at night.
Ooh,
so
too late.
I just wanted to make sure that they had something nice for breakfast, and I knew that one of them is vegetarian, so these are a vegan overnight oats. And here's how you make them. In each of the mason jars, I'm putting in a 1/4 cup of hemp hearts and then a 1/4 cup of oats. However, if you have a preference for either or, you could just do a 1/2 cup of the oats or a 1/2 cup of hemp hearts. You don't have to do both. And then I'm going to add a sprinkling of cinnamon, and this is really flavor to taste on this one. You can add as much as little or completely omit it if you'd like. And from there, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Now, because I'm doing this for someone else, I'm using a measuring spoon and kind of carefully putting it in. Normally, I just sprinkle some in the palm of my hand and then place it in there. From there, everything is going to be on a tablespoon measurement. So it's a tablespoon in each of chia seeds. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon. Now I'm using erythritol and monk fruit. You could use whatever sweetener you choose as far as, as long as it's not wet. If it's going to be a liquid, then you'd have to wait till later. And then I'm adding a tablespoon of flaxseed meal just to round out the batch. That's pretty much it. Then when you're ready to eat them, all you do is you add a 1/2 cup of your favorite milk, and it could be regular milk, or in my case, we're doing oat milk. And that's the other thing I went ahead and I put in the basket is some oat milk, because I could buy that and it could be warm and then go in the fridge. So it just seemed to be an easier thing to do. Oh, and speaking of that basket, yes, it's an upcycle. Got that from my local thrift store, $2, and it took me just a day to clean it, a nice sunny day. And if you haven't seen how I clean baskets, I'll do one of these, and I'll have a link in the description below, because cleaning baskets, super easy, as long as you got a sunny day. Then, to decorate the mason jars, or make them a little bit more friendly,
It's a feeling.
I just used some fabric I had laying around and some string. And it measures out to be about, I think, 4.5 inches square for that. Metrics. And I think I got maybe 18 inches of string to tie around it. I do have to admit, this tying it around it, it was a little frustrating. If you get someone else around to help you with it, you might like to do that.
Tie my shoe.
Oh, and then I put in some teas. I did, a nice little couple green teas and then some herbal teas, just in case. And then a little note I put in it with explaining what was in this basket. And I will have the recipe in the description box. And then I also wrote, hey, if you want more, great, let me know. Or if you don't like it, just tell me that this was, simply charming.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we use some code words in our house so that you can say something's okay and nice, even though you really don't want any more of it. It works, especially when you're out in public. It's great if you have little kids, by the way. Just a little tip there. But that's it. This video is short because I've, like I said, got company coming in and I gotta get back to cleaning.
Totally freaking out.
Thanks so much for watching The Asking Spot. Please click subscribe, give a thumbs up, share, comment. All those things are super wonderful. They help build the page. It helps me grow, which helps me support this page. And I really thank you a lot. Is my welcome gift. It's for my nieces. And basically what I made was using so they are all set for the morning. I'm just rambling now. Hey, bug. They have a great breakfast, and honestly, it can take as little as an hour. Hey, it's Margie with The Asking Spot, not even waiting for that plane to finish going by. And in it, I put a 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Nope.